Mzati mapundu tototo showers. Ayo uya rupenga nekuzvinto minjuni siya yendo.
Sema madini jamani.
The topic today, Maston has got some friends. Pana Tsuro, anozigana nokufidha Tsuro. Muna second munotengeswa mbanje zoti don't shop hapo.
Don't shop achaputa mbanje.
Achaputa mbanje. Komadi ninokusikosiya usingado zvibuditso pa video imwe yemabiri bodi kudo pa TV nemunhu wese. And this is social media.
Yeah.
So when you're on social media, to follow out this doctor and a budget, Zambia Vera winners is none of the beer. As my guy and Gunanga pink and no doubt Sungisa, my doctor to Ian Guanzo Zirap.
Urabeji.
It and I would have it in my guy.
Cocanazquanis.
Could I have a rich pattern jag? Tumbo bata tumbo filifito tane lezo shua cannot anacho kantala uzirapilega mpaka hospital kakeka didi
magaya rupinda panya yawe
magaya rupinda bauti ianfano usungisa minister of health and child welfare mwe anonzi parinya ninya
no akabviswa parinya pana obedaya
you are updating me. Ben zangu zangu chingori kuna Mgabi nansendete transition. Zatula wezo lapana mlozo dola utiji isusu taka winners nemtindo se bato dedure ZANU-PF pe eti aminya topfeko tizichikisa.
But I don't ZANU
ZANU-PF aiwa pana comrade Maston vamwe vari dzivese Lucy Scout. Saka mapfekera tuita hetu dzedu ndeakudhara. Zvatuda wedzotora panapa ndozotora kuti isusu takahwina nemutindo. Pana tsano akauya panapa vakatenga chikafu ndeve ZANU-PF zvavo but vakanyima Maston kana ka teaspoon kechikafu. Saka inini nenda kuti chigaro chavo vakauya panapa kutenga chikafu vachiti mwana weZANU-PF isusu hativazive. Maston ndiye atora chigaro ichocho saka president ndiri kuda mari yekupa mayouth nenyaya yekuti tenge tikutopara pasi tange tisina nyika handitika ndikuzvitaura pane vamwe vanhu kutekwa usati wabuda crew behind the scenes iarmy yangu imwe haibudiswe patv unopengere
haibudiswe patv
tikuenda mani ndine shamwa dzangu.
Did I say anything?
No.
Magribhi. Chenda kakanobe.
Cut.
The author is a documentary of a person who lived way back. His name is Maston. He is back. If you know what the word back means, you think of a Hall of Fame film. Talk to the Hand.
Yeah.
Terminator. I'm back.
Where did you go before?
I went to heaven. It's like my grandfather didn't die at all. He had a riddle just to tend to a bed when he's dead. So he's coming back to life very soon. We're still waiting for Jesus because Christmas is around the corner.
Right.
There are too many prophecies and professors, but the prophecy I know of myself is the prophecy of the things unheard and undone, because I am a
Dan Gaga and do reggae music.
Yeah, I'm also involved in reggae and culture. Any more questions?
How come we've never heard your music?
How come you've never heard of my music?
Yeah.
Right now I'm singing Aftermath music.
So Aftermath music has got Dan Gaga.
Yeah, it's like I'll be singing like songs that were sang by someone else, but with my own voice, making the Meridu of Maston as a singer,
But Maston, as
not
a
as a
singer,
machine.
okay, as a singer.
Yeah.
But Maston, I hear you've got some kind of psychiatric background. Can you just elaborate on that? People
Yeah.
don't understand.
Yeah, I've got a psychiatric background, but the word psychiatric to me doesn't mean I am I'm not psychiatric. I'm psychotic.
What does that mean?
Psychotic means I've got some kind of a power, like powers, that can control me to be in a certain position like the police.
Pachishona unopenge.
Kana pati pachishona zvangu fana noti munhu anosvikirwa but inini nenchigara ndakasvika zvekusamirira kana kuombererwa kana kuukirwa kudai kamuzimukacho kakatonamirira tinongotanga zvega ndinamboudza sekuru vangu vachinjota shiri saka ivo vatoda kuti inini ndivagadzire kuita munhu. I think you know the tale of Phoenix. The Phoenix has got, it's a bird, but it's a bird of a shield, which is, it's a bird trapped in a shield. Like Conan and the Barbarian. You see, they're not cartoons, they're real people.
But you wakaenda ku psychiatric ward. What happened?
They only said, find SI and CSI Miami or FBI. He can work there as a superhero. Then I joined the South African Corps. What do they call them?
SAP.
Scorpion. I joined the Scorpion. That's what you think, because you think every security guard is not a policeman. Ukatosungwa nemusecurity guard unotoenda kujeri.
Saka unombotreatwa here semapenzi pawakaenda psychiatric?
I had every objection to be treated as one because I was running mental. Running mental meaning I could not. I was not capable of controlling my superpowers. As Stone himself.
Saka vaikuita sei?
Of course, they would diagnose me with certain injection just to make me die. For them to take my powers, they need my blood and my bones.
Saka vamatora nemapoasi?
Ndakanguvasiyirawo ropa uri mwerere kuti edzingo kwanisa kungodapika uche.
Saka yo ma-injection acho anonzi chiyanga kaita sema-injection aya?
Ndakamwa matablets ndakamwa matablets akawanda. South Africa ndakamwa Parkerson, Haloperidol, Pensaxol. Yeah, inodriva benzi ke Pensaxol.
Alright.
Tinodrivisa benzi havo.
Chirisina munhu handiri munhu emabiri pobe mapipe rizvo ndikubva kuti I'm psychotic, I got superpower.
Saka uri kutaura kuti zvakangoitika kuSouth Africa muno muZimbabwe wanambobvira kuenda kupsychiatric nenge?
Ndikaenda ndakabayiwa zvakanzi nechirwere chemunhu anopenga hanzi achitopera zvachose nekuti panenge paine mastudent doctors.
Zvakaitika kupi?
Ipapa pararapa iwewe ukaenda uchinzi wakupenga izvezvika ukainobayiwa jekiseni repsychiatric unonzi unoramba uchiribayiwa zvachose ende haubvumidzwa kana kuputa fodya wakupenga. But inini pandakaenda South Africa ndakaenda pahospital inonzi Krutski. Yeah, it's quite expensive. You can't afford it if you're Mac. It's a nice hospital, but it's kind of spooky if you don't have powers.
Tell us what were the meals at the hospital?
The meals were super duper delicious. Because you can ask anything you want, but they won't give you any sweets and candy.
Yeah.
Because you're mad.
And I remember you mentioned about the injection. You mentioned about a big injection like so.
Here in Zimbabwe, we use analog injection.
Yeah.
They are way too big like this. If you go there in the psychiatric ward, you faint before they even inject you. I'm telling you, that's a serious one. But if you go to South Africa, it's like a children injection. It's like a child injection. Very small, like a square. You'll be warming, right? But you forget your name and your address. If you escape from there, you'll be very much mad, because even if your brother recognizes you from the street, they say, you're not the one.
So what do you plan to do as a Dan Gagan, as you mentioned first?
Me as a superhero of Zimbabwe, I would like to sing something about what's happening to Zimbabwe and where we are going. I do not want to wish, I do not wish to sing it right now, because you will steal it from me as the media, as I know you very stingy of giving me money because you are watching me. So I am not stupid at all to sing anything for you, because I am also stingy about my shows.
Your lyrics.
If you want me to come to Canada, United States of America, you bring what exactly I want.
Right.
What I want, I've got a number of demands.
What? Tell them my demands are. How many?
If I come to Jamaica, I do not want to see Jonathan at all, because he said I cannot see Capleton because I asked of his signature, because he said I do not want any signature from any paparazzi, of which I was a Rastaman by then.
That's your first demand.
That's when Capleton came here and it.
Yeah, I can meet Capleton, but without Jonathan.
Okay, what's next?
I would like my demand is class itself. I would like to see Capleton slugs on stage without wearing a hat.
Without wearing a turban.
Yeah, without a turban or a hat or a net. I just want to see what's in his turban. Is it real or is it a snake?
Okay. Third demand.
Yeah, that's my demand. Because me as a fireman, I will light him up.
Light him up.
Yeah, because I already caught it. I caught his standard when he came to Zimbabwe. I got pictures just to show it. And he ran away. Have you ever seen a Rastaman running away?
Fireman.
Capleton was wearing something like an Ajita. You know Ajita, a clown. He dresses like a clown. Capleton, you are a clown because your thunder said I can't see you. So I've got every right to say what I want about you. You are very much wrong about being a Rastaman, because you did not see King Selassie Maston himself representing Silverstone. We as sinners, we want to catch you and we want to grab your head as fans. We want to see your hair. So every fan of Capleton, please, when you go to Capleton show, please try by all means to grab the turbine so that we can see the hair.
Okay.
Or is it a rabbit inside? And shut up, Papa, split it like pumpkin. Heavy like Maston. Never lie like Everton Bean. Cats.